All my life I've loved being out in woodlands with nature. I mean, it's just an absolute pleasure. The woodland is just a magical place to me. I'm lucky in my job role as a red squirrel ranger, I see all sorts of stuff. The red squirrel is native to the UK, very special animal, iconic animal, very much loved by the late Beatrix Potter. When looking for reds, they're not only in the treetops, you know, jumping from tree to tree, but they're on the ground. You've got to be quiet. They don't like sudden movement, and obviously everything's wary of noise. You tend to hear them before you see them. You'll hear the nails scratching up the tree, or they have various little calls, chatter and alarm, and they need protecting. Invasive grey squirrel has basically driven the red squirrel on the verge of extinction, if you like. The grey squirrel can do a lot of damage. I mean, millions of pounds worth of damage they do every year to forestry and woodland crops. Controlling the grey squirrels the methods we use is trapping and shooting. Trapping can be a difficult one because we've got red squirrels and you're trapping in among red squirrels, so as such we have to use live cage traps. We can't use kill traps. We're lucky we use thermal imaging, which, you know, you scan in the trees and it picks out the heat source, and then you have to identify obviously if it's a red or a grey and take it from there. But you know, the thermal's then good for monitoring red squirrel populations as well. It's the Squirrel Pox Virus has been a big killer of red squirrels, which is carried by the grey, which is an immune carrier of the squirrel pox. So you don't see any signs like you would in a red squirrel. They get lesions around their eyes, around the toes, genitals, ears, and it basically kills a red squirrel within a week or two. We help the reds by using supplementary feeding. That's by putting up feeding stations, little boxes with flip lids, and they go in and take the food, which is monkey nuts, peanuts, sunflower seeds. They love hazelnuts. That's a big help to reds, because one of the biggest dangers to red is malnutrition through lack of food source. I mean, we're lucky up here in Cumbria or the Lake District where we still have red squirrels, but you know, we're always fighting back the never-ending grey tide, if you like. Well, the red squirrel's special to me because, well, one is in my job role, I'm a red squirrel ranger, but before I even done this job, I've always loved wildlife, worked out in the woods, and being a native species to the UK, you know, we've got to try and save them, we've got to try and protect them.